That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Princess.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Princess and I'm back at it again with a new look. For today's look, I'll be using a wig that I received from Cynosure Hair. Hold on, I don't know how to pronounce this. I never know how to pronounce anything, y'all. I am so sorry. It's called Cynosure Hair. Cynosure, I don't know, Cynosure Hair. This is my first time trying their wig, so this is our first time. We're finna see what this quality is about, what this wig is about. So let me go ahead and give you guys a little bit of details. So the wig that I'll be trying on today is their Brazilian KINKY curly 24-inch 220% density. This is probably the thickest wig I've ever had. When it comes to curly hair, I usually go up to like 180, but 220, this joint is about to be thick as fuck, which is fine because when you do curly hair, you want to make sure it's thick enough so it's like no gaps in between. But then again, I don't really like my wigs to be too full, so I hope it's not too crazy looking. But I'm really excited to see how it looks because I've never had a wig with a density that high, so it's the first time for everything. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. It's a glueless wig. The wig comes pre-plucked, and they also have other types of like quality. They have Peruvian, Malaysian, and Indian. Their lowest density for this texture is 150, but I got 220. So let's go ahead and get into this wig. When you receive your wig, it will come in this little satin bag. It's just pink and it says Cynosure on the front. I don't even know, I'm pronouncing it all wrong, but inside the bag you will find this little card right here, and it just has like a whole bunch of pictures of girls that tried on their wigs, and it has some details on like how to apply the wig, how to wash it, little measurement test, little combing test, little things like that. You will also find a wig cap in the bag. Your wig will be in this plastic bag, and they also send you a pair of lashes, and I think these are actually cute. Like if you brush them out and like fluff it out, it'll look really natural and cute, so I think I'm gonna keep these. So this is the wig. This is what she looks like, and oh my gosh, as you guys can see, she's really full, nice and thick, and it doesn't feel heavy. Surprisingly, I thought it was gonna be really heavy and just like too much, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. It looks really full. Like even me holding it like this, you see no gaps whatsoever. The wig looks nice and full, nice and healthy. The curls look really pretty, and I didn't do anything to it. This is straight out the box, and look how neat and pretty these curls look. Like what? I probably won't even do anything to these curls because they look so neat and already perfect straight out the bag, so it's nothing for me to do to it. I'm literally gonna wear it just like this, ready to go. This looks really good. Like these curls look really healthy, really shiny, and really pretty. This is what the lace looks like. Like I said, it comes pre-plucked. This lace is glueless and transparent. It comes with slight baby hairs. This is what the inside looks like. It has 4 combs all around and on the bottom with adjustable straps. The wig is a free part, so you could do a middle part, side part, whichever you feel. I think I'm going to be doing a middle part today. I love middle part. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like. I'm really surprised with this wig. Like she looks really good. She looks really pretty. Usually when I get like kinky curly wigs from like other companies, they would come all mushed up in a bag, and it would just be like, you know, stuck together, and you have to like separate the curls and kind of like, you know, get some water in there so the curls will look like how it's supposed to look. So I'm really surprised that me taking this wig out the bag and it already looks, you know, loose, and it's like flowing, and it's not looking messy or matted up or crazy. It looks really good, so I'm really excited about that because that's less work for me. I won't have to do much to it. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and cut this lace off, try her on, and see how she feels on my head. Alright guys, so this is what the wig looks like on, and I really wish that I got a cap size small because I don't think this is a small. It's a little loose on me. But usually what I do when my wigs are a little bit loose on my head, because you guys know I'm bald, so my the combs on the inside don't really grab, can't really grip to anything because there's no hair there. Usually I would just take my bobby pins and, like, even though this is also not gonna grab on anything, but it helps a little bit. Usually what I do is take these bobby pins and just like trying to pin the side so it could just, like, you know, just stay still and like don't move, because this is like really loose. So if I even try to just do my baby hairs and leave it like that, it's gonna slide off. So I'm just gonna use these bobby pins, pull it down and pin the sides right here. See, and now it's like it's still, like, it's not moving. So all I have to do is just like tuck this part right here behind my ear, and most of the time you won't see it. So that is my little trick. This is what the wig looks like on, and as you guys can see, she's looking really full. She's looking really good. Like, this is bomb. Like, you guys see how pretty these curls are? Like, stop what you're doing. Like, sis, it's giving Lion King. Like, these are really bomb. They look super healthy and really pretty. Like, I'm impressed. I ain't never had curly hair this thick before, and it feels so soft, you guys. You would think that a wig that was sitting in a bag for I don't know how long would be stiff. These are probably the softest curls I've ever fucking felt. Like, this feels so soft. Usually when I receive curly wigs, I will have to, like, you know, wet it and get the curls back popping, but I don't have to do anything to these curls. All I have to do is just fix the top right here, which is the part that be like fucking blowing me because you be giving me all this work. But I pretty much just gotta fix this part right here, and, like, you know, do I want to do a side part today, or do I want to do a middle part? What are we feeling? Yeah, this is what the wig looks like. I'm about to go ahead and just finish up this look, go with the flow. I'm really not gonna do anything much to these curls. Like, as soon as I just figure out if I want it to the side or the middle, that's pretty much gonna be it. And you know we love a quick pop on and slay look. You know I live for that. I'm lazy. So I'm about to go ahead and finish up this look. I will see you guys once I'm done. From the day I saw you, I really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys that worth my time. Oh, baby, it's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like you don't know my name. Will you ever know? Oh, baby, I see us on our first date. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And when we had our first kiss, it happened on a Thursday. And oh, it set my soul on fire. Oh, baby. I can't wait for the first time. My imagination's running wild. Feels like you don't know my name. And I swear it, baby. Feels like you don't know my name. Will you ever know? I'm saying, he don't even know what he's doing to me. I'm feeling all crazy inside. I'm feeling like do nothing I've ever done for anyone's attention. Take notice of what's in front of you, 'cause did I mention you about to miss a good thing? And you'll never know how good it feels to have all of my affection. And you'll never get a chance to experience my loving, 'cause my loving feels like you don't know my name. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It probably was the quickest tutorial that I've done on my channel. It literally took me like 15 minutes to put this wig on. All I pretty much did was my baby hair, and I barely did anything to it. I just touched it up with some gel. I did apply a little bit of glue on the edges so it could like really hold on to my wig because it was a little loose on my head. So, and that's pretty much it. I decided to wear the wig just like this with this little messy side part look because I feel like it looks really natural and prettier. I'm about to take some fire pics. It just looks really good to me like that. Like I was on live, everybody was loving it. Everybody was like, do the side part. So I ended up going with a side part and I'm loving it. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you check them out. I'll have their link down below. The link to their store, this wig, everything you guys need to know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.